Today on Dirt Nation, as we recover from the long weekend, everybody else here in Azusa is requiring some recoveries. Let's get to it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Dirt Nation Off-Road. So today we are back out in Azusa Canyon for Memorial Day special. We're gonna call it Memorial Day special because it is Memorial Day. Happy Monday. I'm not at work right now, which is great. Just got back from a long overland adventure and the taco's still packed, actually. I'll link that video below. Actually, no, that video's not gonna be out yet. That video's coming out later. Check that video later. But anyways, special shout out right here. Look at it. Wow, so, you know, Dirt Nation Taco's here, which is cool. You know, Bob's here. You know, me and Bob are Team Utah right here. We were freaking Utah for the weekend, and then on separate trips, though, separate trips. We're in Utah, drove back, and we're here at Azusa, and then look who's back. Look at this. What? Mr. GBW? Now, we haven't seen Mr. George B. Wrench's F-150 in a while, but we're going to do a side video. I'll link that video down below. We're going to do a feature on his build because tons of 40s. That's all you need to know. Tons of 40s, and we'll go from there. Anyways, we're going to get to some Azusa stuff. We got some big boys here. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's get to it. Nah, you're done. You're done, dude. God damn it. up a winch to him. This is literally if Monday was an Azusa trip.
Yeah, I know, right?
This is the Mondays.
Mondays with recoveries all day.
Way out there.
He was about to, yeah, if he would have continued. Oh! Oh, wait.
No, he's going to pull back. He's going to rip it off. Watch. Come back up. You're ripping that bumper off. Yeah! Valiendo pito! Gosh, look at that fucker spinning in there. Big girl. Tell him go left. Sheesh. All right, well, after that major recovery right there, look at the line of people, the crowd that went and checked that out. That was pretty fun. Luckily we got them out. It's all good to go. But we are all done here in Azusa. It was a day full of recoveries. I don't even think we really got many people hitting the mud. No real drone shots because like anytime somebody went to a pit, they got stuck instantly. It was just one of those days. So hope you guys enjoyed that. But we are all done here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon. You also hit us up for shirts, hats, hoodies, and all those other goodies. dirtnationoffroad@gmail.com. Until next time, look at, see? Another one stuck. Another recovery. We'll see you guys next time.